Hey everybody, Brad Haynes, Senior Product Development Manager here at InfoComm. Here we're just talking about our new Ovation RevE series. The thing that we've done with our Ovation RevE is we're really revolutionizing the new enhancement in the range. Well, the first phase in our range is going to be our 2 series. Here we're looking at the Ovation RevE2. The thing about Ovation RevE and what we've done is our new spectral color mixing engine. So it's going to be RGB CAM, which is cyan, amber, and mint, and that's going to really take you to being able to do those full tunable whites all the way up to that full color spectrum, all in one unit that's incredibly compact but has a ton of output. Not only in the ellipsoidal, but we have a new F2 Fresnel, we have a new P2 IP PAR, as well as we have 2 new house lights in our H1 and our H2. This is going to be the first phase in this series, and like I mentioned, everything is going to have the same color mixing engine going forward. So that same spectral quality, just different outputs, intensities, sizes, and fixtures, but whether it's a house light, whether it's ellipsoidal, Fresnel, batten, whatever it is, it's going to match across the board. So if you install or spec Ovation into your system, you're going to have that same color, you're going to have that same look and feel all the way across the board. Very excited. Again, some of the enhancements that we've done to the unit made it a little more compact, definitely got the output, uses the same lensing that we've been known for with Ovation, as well as some other enhancements technical-wise to the units. Good, compact design. We're very excited by this new range. It's only going to get better going forward. Hope to see you guys soon.